I can't tell you how many times one of my clients has walked into the gym clutching their shoulder, claiming how they slept on their neck wrong. Or they went to reach for something in the back seat, and it's been stiff ever since. They're amazed at the improvements of range of motion they experience after trying this technique I'm about to share with you. All you need for this technique is a lacrosse ball and a wall corner. If you don't have a lacrosse ball, you could also use a tennis ball. Essentially, you're going to use this lacrosse ball to apply pressure to the area around your shoulder, the front, top, side, and back. This is going to help restore mobility to your shoulders and neck. So let's get started. Place the ball just below your clavicle bone, right next to your armpit. Then, lean into the wall to apply pressure to the area. Let your arm hang comfortably at your side, with your palm open and your hand relaxed. Breathe calmly and hold on tender areas. Do this pec release for a minimum of 60 seconds before switching sides. If you're having trouble getting enough direct pressure to this point, I recommend the following. Try bringing your feet a little further apart and lowering your torso so you can leverage your body weight against the wall. Place the ball on the top of your shoulder next to the base of your neck. Get into a staggered stance and bend forward to apply pressure against the wall corner. Hold on tender points and breathe in a relaxed manner. Do this traps release for a minimum of 60 seconds before switching sides. If you're uncomfortable doing this from the standing position, grab a cushion and try doing it from your knees. This should be a little easier for you. Place the ball beneath your shoulder next to your armpit. Apply pressure by leaning your side against the wall with the ball placed first. Hold on tender spots and focus on breathing through any discomfort. Do this lats release for a minimum of 60 seconds before switching sides. For best results, focus on the dense area just beside the armpit. This is where you'll find some of those intense trigger points. Place the ball on your upper back in the space between your spine and your shoulder blade. Apply pressure by leaning against the wall with the ball placed first. Hold on tender areas and focus on breathing through discomfort. Do this rhomboids release for a minimum of 60 seconds before switching to the other side. Here's a tip to help you better access those muscles. Round your shoulders slightly. I recommend returning to this technique a few times a week, even if you don't have pain. This will help keep your shoulders and your neck mobile, and it'll make sure that you're able to participate in your activities that you enjoy. It's so important to have a self-care maintenance routine for every area of your body. When your shoulders and your neck go down, it affects all of your activities, and we don't want that. So be sure to check out my YouTube library to see where I've posted helpful self-care videos, and check out my website, kaisimonfitness.com. I'll see you next time. Take care.